welcome to Card Maker with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cupcake shop card, and we're making it for Valentine's Day because I'm making Valentine's Day cards right now. So it looks like this. Really versatile card. You could use this card for birthdays, for just because, just to say hello, Valentine's Day. Every day is a day for a cupcake card. Let's go down. Hi guys, this is basically everything you need to make your card. As usual, we're going to start with some scoring. So I want you to take your piece of paper that is 11 by 4 1/4, and we're going to score that directly in half at 5 1/2. You're also going to score this piece, which is the base of your awning, which is 4 1/4 by 1 5/8, and you're going to score it at 1 3/8. And you're going to take the piece for your awning feature, which is 4 1/4 by 2. We're going to score this every 1/2 inch. So it looks like this. I want you to fill and burnish in all your score lines. Okay, so this is for the base. Now let's build a countertop. I'm going to take this piece of paper and I'm going to die cut a piece of the top like this. So this is the result, and I've also cut this down to 2 1/4, but we need it to be the same size of the counter. So I'm going to cut it at 4 1/4. I actually need to score this as well, so I'm going to score this on the scalloped side at 1/2 inch. I also cut out this with this die for the top, and for the base of the counter we're going to have to do some embossing, but we're also going to emboss this piece of paper as well. Let's emboss the base card first with this beautiful embossing folder. This area doesn't need to be embossed, just the front of the card. So I'm going to just put the front of the card in the embossing folder equally. It's perfectly embossed, just exactly where I wanted it, nothing on the other side. And I'm embossing this before I cut it so I can get it cut at the perfect size. So I'm going to cut this down to 1 3/4 in height by 4 1/4 in width. Now let's build our awning. We need strips of paper that are a 1/2 inch wide by 1 7/8 inch tall. So I need 5 red and 4 white. So I have 5 red and 4 white, and I'm going to take my corner rounding tool and I'm going to round the corners on the 7mm side, because if you look at the 10mm side, right, this is this, it gets it pointy, but the 7mm gets it perfectly round. So let's do that. So again, stick this in one side, punch, and I stick it in the other side, punch. Perfectly rounded edge. So we have our base card, which is here, or counter. Let's stick the awning together. So each one of these things we're going to stick on this piece of cardstock. So we're going to put some glue. I'm going to start with this one at the end here. Put some glue on this as well, all the way to the end. And I'm going to stick this straight to the top here with a little piece off, and then all the way down like this. That's perfect. You see how that fits here and has a little space on the side. And let's continue building that. So we have a beautiful awning built. Now I'm going to take my scoreboard and I'm going to score the awning at the same 1 3/8 like this, and I'm going to turn it down and I'm going to score it on this side as well. And then you're going to bend it And there you have your beautiful awning. Look at that. That's so cute. I can't get enough of it. Okay, so now we have our awning, and now we're going to build our awning base. So you're going to take this, and you're going to fold it like this and stick it down like that. All right, so let's put some glue. And we're going to stick it down like that. If I find some close clips. Stick one side down and then stick the other side down. So we're going to leave that there drying. Now this is the best part. Let's build our cupcakes. I have this cupcake die. It's a cupcake builder die, which means you cut off all the pieces and then you build it. So I've cut out my cupcake builder die in 3 colors: chocolate, red velvet, and, well, we'll call this vanilla, but it's like white cake, right? Let's call it angel food cake maybe. And I am now going to build the 3 cupcakes. First, I'm going to outline my angel food cake in black, because if I don't do this, I'll show you the difference. Let me just do it first, and then I'll show you how it look done and when you don't do it. So I'm just outlining this with a black Sharpie. So this is a really good example. Look how you can see this one, and look how this one looks. So you see how when you don't outline it with the Sharpie, it could literally sort of disappear in the design, but when you outline it with the Sharpie, you can see it really better. So when you're doing white on white, if you need to see the other white, then it's good if you outline with the Sharpie. So I'm going to outline this one. I'm going to use all of these, so I'm going to remove these. So let's put these together. Cute cupcakes are built. How cute are they? I can't get enough of how cute those cupcakes are. Let's fold this back like this, because this is actually to fold over, and let's go ahead and stick this down here like so. So this is how this counter looks. So I'm gonna stick this onto this now for the countertop. Right, so I think we have just about everything to get our cupcake started, except for the sentiment. Let's do the sentiment, and then we're going to stick everything together. So I got it, and it looks so beautiful. Oh man, I really love how that looks. And I did I got this size up, and I cut out this as well. So this is going to be layered on this. I'm not sure if I'm going to layer it on this. I think I might use chocolate brown as well. So I also did an option for mirror or chocolate brown, and I'm going to mock them all up on the card and see which one I like best. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with yet. So let's just put them to the side and let's build this card. All right, so we have our base card here. We have our cupcakes, we have our awning, we have our part for the top, our countertop, our sentiment. So you have to wrap this with the string before we stick it onto here. All right, so let's get that done. So now that everything is installed really nicely, we're going to put a lot of glue on top here. Now we're going to stick this, centering it like so. And we're going to test the sentiment. So I think the brown is too heavy. I actually kind of like the mirror. Let me see. And I think this is way too matchy-matchy. Yeah, so let's go with the mirror. I think so. Told you this doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day only. I have this one, That's just the card saying hey there. So hey there, Cupcake. So cute. And if you don't want all the drama of the awning, I have an option of no awning. And it's still a very beautiful card. So you have Valentine's Day, any day, and no awning. Some gorgeous options for you, but every day you should have a cupcake. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this. It's so cute. It's this Cupcake Shop Card. I hope you try it. Let me know if you do. If you like this video, make sure and give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.